Hi guys, our question today is uh, in which we have to find value of x and y. Our given equation is x plus y is equal to 19.5 and xy second equation which should be 19.25. Okay, so this is our first equation and this is second equation, and we have to find x and y. So what should be solution of this equation? And this should be as it is same or different. Okay, so there is another formula I'm using today, which should be t square minus x plus y t plus xy equal to 0. Okay, so this equation, I call this equation like a quadratic equation. We did this like a quadratic equation. So if you learn this equation, you should directly put that values in this equation, and there will much time will be our saved. Okay, and then put the values. X plus y is 19.5 t plus xy should be 90.25 to 0. Okay, and then let suppose a should be 1, b should be 19.5, c should be 90.25, 19.5. Okay, then put in quadratic formula. So we already know quadratic formula, which is minus b minus b. So value is 19.5 plus minus b square minus b square value is 19.5 whole square minus 4c. In previous lecture I explained quadratic formula, so you should watch that video, and I should at last I should write quadratic formula. Okay, which is this. So I am putting these three values in that particular equation, which is a quadratic equation. Okay, and then we take that this thing, one should be a should be 1 and c should be 90.25. At the bottom in the right side 2 multiply 1. Okay, and what should be our answer? And minus 19.5 minus 19.5 whole square, which should be 380.25. 4 multiply 90.25 after calculating 19.25. Okay, and after subtracting these two equation, minus 19.5 plus minus under root is approximately 19.25. Okay, after subtracting these two equations, and so after it I can take under root on this side. So I hope you see it, and then t is equal to minus 19.5 plus minus under root 19.5, which is equal to 4.387. Add divide, this is 2. So I should, and there should be two values, positive or negative. Positive, in which we take positive sign, and this is negative sign, both sides. So minus 19.5, this should be positive, so we take positive 4.387 divided by 2. Then solve these two equations. It should be 23, sorry, it should be positive, should be positive. When we put the formula, okay, so this should be changed value, okay, minus change to positive, okay. So there is positive value of t. 23.887 divided by 2. After dividing these twos, 11.94 is our one side, which is x. You suppose it is x, okay. And then in second side you should take minus, after minus 19.5 minus 4.387 divided by 2, which is equal to 15.113 divided by 2. And after dividing these two values we get 7.55, okay. So this should be y. So our answer should be these two, x is 11.94 and y is 7.55. So where these two values and where these equations are applicable in civil engineer or another thing like this are using. So in this example I should take a problem where managing a two investment bank, okay. Suppose there are two banks, okay. So you have an account on both banks, this account and this account, okay. This is our account A and this is our account B, and these are two different banks, okay. So you have to invest $19,500, okay. 19,500 and $500 you have to invest on these two banks. So this is our both account, okay, total investment our on both accounts. So the combined impact of these investment, uh, which depend on product of two investment is, so our product of these two investment should be 90, 25, 0 and 00. So 00. So this is our combined impact of this investment, joint joint compound interest effect on risk reward index, okay. So where we're trying to determine how much in each account. So in each account should be, we have previously account. So account, in A account we have invested 11,943.50, and account B we invested 7,755.65, okay. This should be, so these two categories in which we should invest on both accounts in different banks, okay. And there is interpretation. This could be represent portfolio optimization, where two different banking instruments, fixed deposit and market linking deposit, or a balance in which combined influences risk adjustment, return and compound effect meet a desired threshold, okay. So this is our for our this question. So we meet in next question. Thank you.